First of all, thank you very much for all the likes and subscribe. And today's tutorial is going to be quite nice and small. Where just I'm trying to show a bit of how to make the UI look a bit nice and fancier. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to your friend who want to learn how to use Unreal Engine. Thank you very much. Let's get started.
So in today's tutorial, let's just try to focus on how to make this all buttons look nice and a bit fancier, because now it looks quite, boring, let's make it a bit more nice where, once you press, the color changes. And yeah, let's get started. So the first thing which we can probably focus on this side of the buttons, and those you're going to get it in the equipment slots. So a few things which we can do is, like you see this button here, when we hover the button over the button, we can change all of them to like a rounded box, and give them some, like a variables, like how round is it going to be. Like in this case, I would maybe put like I can put like about like 10 and 10, Control C, and 10 and 10. And the outline I can put like red for now. I want to put like a bit of like a traffic light kind of symbol. For this, I will put like number 3. I will, yeah. So yeah, and when it's around it's hovered, then also we could kind of change it into like a rounded box where we could show, like we'll put 15, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V. So yeah, so the outline we could also kind of change it to red, bit of an amberish, and yeah, that looks good. Width, maybe I would want to put maybe 6, and the same thing, once it's pressed around it, we can put 20, Control C, Control V, Control V. It's just to make things look big fancy, and like green means like select when pressed. So that's how I would kind of want to imagine. Width is 9, and let's compile and save it. Let's see the parameters here, and yeah, see, so red, once we hover it shows amber, that means we are ready to select, and once we click it shows green. Yeah, so this looks nice, it looks nice and cute. And similarly we can do something like this for these as well, like how maybe I would like to imagine, for this case it is green, but when we click on this it turns amber, and we drag it gets red, bit like a reverse order. So yeah, for that we are going to use this one, this button. And so when it's normal, when you're hovering, so this could maybe be like we'll put like a round box, and we'll put value of 10, 10, 10, and 10. So let's compile and see. Outline we can put in this case green, because they will be having weapon, you see. So yeah, let me see whether it works or not. Oops. So yeah, that's what, yeah, that's good. And in this case, maybe width I could give 3. No, I'll give 3 actually, that's good. And once it's hovered, we can put like a bit of an amberish texture. This one I'll put again 15, 15, 15, 15. This is good, and for this I will go amber, more like a traffic light kind of inspiration I'm taking. Width I will put 6. Same thing I will also do for, it'll be a rounded box. This time this is going to be 20, Control C, no, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. And this one I am gonna put red because by then you have lost some weapons from there. It's just for the sake of, understanding. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, so, oops. Hey, that was green, right? What happened? I think so. I didn't save it because previously. Hmm. Yeah, see, it didn't save actually. When it's normal, we'll put green. Okay. And 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Oh, no, sorry. Uh, when it's normal, we'll put round box. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 3. Okay, green. No, it is saved. It's the issue. Yeah, you can see some traces of green in them, but it could be the actual issue here. Let's reduce the item icon size. Uh, Is it because the item icon is overwhelming it? Or no? Uh, let's go to the button and maybe let's increase the value of it, maybe 6. But yeah, that's how we are gonna make things look a bit more nicer and beautiful. And like I take this weapon, I take this, I take this, and yeah, so that's how it's gonna be. And yeah, that's the whole idea and concept of it. And yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much.